Hello, good morning. This is Cora Sakdalan. Today, we are here in Suntrust Verona, and this is located in Barangay Hoyo along Santa Rosa, Tagaytay Road, Silang, Cavite. So, if you are looking for the house inlet package, single-detached, big lot area, and floor area, so this is our very good location to invest, and this is our best-selling house model. So this is our Luciana Model here in Suntrust Verona. So we have a lot of house model available here. So we have single detached, 4 bedroom, 3 toilet and bath, and we have 5 bedrooms and 3 toilet and bath. We have 4 bedrooms and 2 toilet and bath. So different house models available and all single detached houses. But we have also duplex house unit here in Suntrust Verona. Our available payment option is bank financing, in-house financing, deferred cash, or spot cash option. So if you want to avail up to 10% discount, so we have an option to avail a spot cash discount. So if you are going to pay the whole total amount of the property within 30 days from reservation date, so you can avail up to 10% discount. But if you want to avail a zero interest, so we have option of 18 months to pay, zero interest from reservation date. But if you want to avail it through regular financing, so we have bank financing and we have in-house financing. So our in-house financing is higher interest than bank financing. So if you are going to apply in the bank financing, so we need a bank financing approval or the letter of guarantee from the bank that you are approved from the bank. And for in-house financing, it is directly applied to developer. So our developer is the one who are going to approve the in-house financing option. Now, this is how the home will be delivered to our client or to our buyers. Then if you have planned to improve your house improvement or house modification is not allowed during house construction. You only allowed to do that after house turnover or you already accepted the house from the developer, because our developer not allowing the buyer to modify or to extend or to improve during house construction. For example, you want to have a kitchen extension or you want to replace the existing ceramic tiles. For example, the ceramic tiles is white and you want to have ceramic tiles like brown. So you are not allowed to do that during house construction by the developer. So you are only allowed after house turnover or you already accepted the house from the developer. Then you need to secure an approval from the engineering department and from the local government unit. And we have also a necessary construction bond for your improvement. For example, you want to extend your kitchen extension or you want to have a fence or gate. So our engineering department have a construction bond for specific improvement. So just as our engineering department after house turnover, if you are planning to improve your house. Then another information that we need to know is about the homeowners association dues. So homeowners association dues is required to pay every month by our homeowners. So for example, in Suntrust Verona, our homeowners association fees is between 700 to 1,000 pesos, but it's depend to our homeowners association. This homeowners association is for our garbage collection, for our security, and for our street lights. Then our amenity like swimming pool, clubhouse, basketball court is not included to our homeowners association dues. So this is separate from our homeowners association dues. So you need to pay our amenity after usage of that particular amenity. So another information that we need to know is about the real property tax. If the property is already turned over to our buyer, so our buyers or our client are need to pay our real property tax to local government unit. So that's our responsibility of our homeowners. So for example, the property is turned over to you for the month of December. So you need to pay the real property tax on the following year. So make it sure that our real property tax is updated and paid every year because there's a penalty or interest if it's late. Our house model available: Amadea, Luciana, Micaela, Orabella, Caterina, Gisela. So that's our single detached house in lot package and with lot area of 176 square meter. And then we have also a duplex house unit, Mariela Model. So 3 bedrooms and 1 toilet and bath. And there is a complete amenity subdivision, 24/7 security, and very nice to invest here in Suntrust Verona. If you are interested, just call us at 0917-501-7471. We can provide a sample computation in advance before our site tripping or our site viewing. So you have a lot option to choose from our single detached and our duplex house unit here in Suntrust Verona. Thank you so much for watching, and please subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell so that you are always updated to my channel. Again, this is Cora Sakdalan, and thank you and have a nice day.